From the Detroit Free Press, I'm Robin Chan with today's Voice Briefing. It's Friday, May 24th, 2024.
I'm Claire Hendrickson for the Detroit Free Press. Adam Ollier amassed support from prominent Democrats and Black faith leaders to challenge U.S. Representative Sri Thanadar in the upcoming primary for the 13th Congressional District. But Wayne County Clerk Kathy Garrett determined Tuesday that Ollier did not submit enough valid voter signatures from the district to land a spot on the ballot. Her decision came after election staff found that Ollier was 137 signatures short of the 1,000 he needed to turn in after signatures he filed were invalidated due to suspected fraud and other issues. In a statement, Ollier said he will consult with his supporters and others to determine his next steps. Thanadar, who challenged Ollier's petitions, said in his statement that he's confident voters in the 13th District will re-elect him. At-large Detroit City Council member Mary Waters and attorney Shakira Lynn Hawkins have also filed to run against Thanadar.
Hello, from the Free Press Newsroom in Detroit, I'm staff writer Bill Leitner with a story about a young mom who suddenly disappeared in 1985. If she were alive today, Cindy Louise Moore would be 67 years old and have a 41-year-old son. But is she dead? No one knows. Cindy disappeared exactly 39 years ago as of Thursday, May 23rd. Last seen, Madison Heights. The night she disappeared, driving her turbocharged silver Ford Tempo. Police questioned her estranged husband, but he was never charged. Now, after all this time, Oakland County Sheriff Mike Bouchard hopes someone who knows something will say something. To learn more about this chilling cold case, see my story at freep.com. And if you can help crack it, Sheriff Bouchard wants to hear from you. Call anytime 248-858-4950, extension 8.
This is Kylie Martin for the Detroit Free Press. Metro Detroit has some of the worst air quality in the country, and while some environmental justice advocates are making efforts to fix it, others are helping residents to mitigate the damages from breathing polluted air. Earlier this month, Wayne County teamed up with Just Air, an environmental tech company started in Detroit, to install 100 air quality monitors across the county's 43 communities. The monitors are a part of the Wayne County Air Quality Project, which began in August 2023 after the Canadian wildfires filled Metro Detroit with smoke and raised attention about harsh air pollutants. The monitors assess hyperlocal air quality and upload the data to Just Air's public dashboard so that residents can see and plan their activities appropriately to limit exposure to unhealthy air if needed. Air quality can vary greatly within a short distance, so Just Air tries to place its monitors strategically according to a community's problem areas. All monitors measure what's called particulate matter in the air, but other monitors placed in hotspots measure additional pollutants to better assess air quality. Check your hyperlocal air quality in Wayne County by visiting justair.app. You can even enter your phone number and create an account to receive text alerts when the air quality is bad.
Find more from the Detroit Free Press on freep.com. That's FREEP.com. Thanks for listening. Have a great weekend, and you'll hear more from us Monday.